watermelon smoothie. Each to their own, I suppose. Let's get on with the first food review, which I'm looking forward to. So we're in Pattaya. We're in a place called Mathilda Restaurant, which is next door to Pattaya Night Bazaar. So we've ordered up a couple of dishes. Sunday afternoon, I have a tiger beer on the go, which is always good. Hey guys, so what we've gone for today is a dish called Morning Glory, which is a Thai dish served in a garlic sauce with chilies. We've gone for a beef and black bean standard. We've gone for vegetable noodles. We've gone for spicy pork and some rice also. We've got the Morning Glory. We've got the crispy pork served with chili sauce. We've got the vegetable noodles. Beef and black bean. And the rice. Well, the Morning Glory, I have to say, is absolutely banging. It's so spicy, really, really fresh, lots of flavour, the chilies, the actual vegetable itself really nice, and in the garlic sauce it just really goes well with the noodles as well. The beef and black bean, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, really, really good, really. The crispy pork, it looks like it's overdone, but to be honest, it's really nice. It's popping on with another chang. So we asked for the Morning Glory to be spicy, extra spicy. I've got to say, I like my spice, but it is really, really hot. Chili, the fresh chilies in it and the chili flakes, it's just really, but it is really, really nice as well. So really happy we tried this, and this is going to be a go-to dish while I'm over here, because what you do find is you'll find at different places do the same dishes, but there's a little sort of difference in the way they do the meals, the dishes. So yeah, we'll see it. I'll definitely be trying some more Morning Glory while I'm out here. So I know this is the first meal since we're back over here from last year, but absolutely stunning, really, really has it. Yeah. To be quite honest, there's not many times I've had any bad meals out here, so I'm just really looking forward to seeing what else there is out there. So I'm happy with my changs, no problem, but Joe fancied something a little bit different. Watermelon smoothie, each to their own, I suppose. So Mathilda Restaurant, second road, pretty much next door to the Night Bazaar here in Pattaya. Okay, so all in all, that came to just over about 25 quid for both of us. So that's for, you know, both of us with our meals. I had 2 beers, 2 large beers. Joe had a sparkling water, a smoothie. So around about 12 quid each. Not too bad, not too bad. It's not mega cheap, you know, let's be quite honest, but it's still good. The quality of the food, really happy. So we've got lots more to sample while we're over here. So, you know, would I come back here? Yes, absolutely. So just spent an hour or so having a wander around the Night Bazaar, bought a couple of bits, little hats. Now time for another chang. Had a little wander, had a look around, did a little bit of shopping, had something to eat, really nice this afternoon. We'll see what the night holds, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers guys.